$500.
What are you up to now?
I'm just looking through this Johnson Viking Christmas catalog to pick out my next toy for this year, right? Do you know that my dad had one of these Johnson desks when I was a kid? It's very cool.
What do you plan on doing over your Christmas break?
Well, I mean, look behind you. I've got a mountain of work, and you know what? I got 6 more of these things on the way, so I got to get them done. I hope it doesn't interfere with Christmas Day.
Yeah, I think you need to give it a rest now.
Ew.
How about we take some time to tell your subscribers your accomplishments for this year and what's coming for next?
I could do that. So there's been a lot of improvements to D-Lab this year, right? I've bought some new video equipment. I've got some new test equipment. Let's see. Oh, green screen technology. That magical floating bottle of wine. Guess who does that, right? And of course, now we're actually buying more wine, right? Different brands, right? Marcia's always out getting cases of wine. Now, I only do this for her benefit because she just wants me to taste them and see which ones I like.
Right.
But where a lot of these funds have been coming from is I set up a donation page on D-Lab Electronics website, and there's been some very cool people tossing D-Lab a bone here and there to keep me happy. Because as you guys know, I have limited shop time. I'm out here for about 2 hours a night, work on the average of about 10 hours a day with travel. So it is difficult to keep this going, especially because I'm trying to do that and also keep somebody else happy at the same time. But the donation thing has been a big plus.
Yes, the donations have been very, very helpful and very much appreciated. We thank everyone who has.
You know why? Because most of that money goes into the checking account, and Marcia has access to those funds.
Not.
What?
Not.
Anyway, 2019, I've got a whole new gamut of goodies coming, right? We're going to concentrate more on the classic ham radio equipment. I'm into some Collins equipment now, which is kind of a new adventure for me. And so just stay tuned, guys. There's lots of good stuff to come. I didn't actually make a list because I'm ad-libbing this, right?
Right.
Right. Anyway, thanks a lot, guys. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you.
From Terry and Marcia at D-Lab.
Grandma's house.
I knew that was coming.
Stay. Stay.